I was supposed to come in this campaign right from the beginning.
Manda yemu otita titazane de Maria Andre ni rozor Maria.
And me not showing up
Samani me nazo kurisi
until it is only 48 hours to go to this election.
Mani musu odu adansi sawa tekino koko kalidini kalisudini Arua pi bani musu kalulu bezo.
It does not mean that I was not thinking about Arua.
Etsanikini me pini yo garuo madia korin niko.
But because the election in Arua is a very unique election, ladies and gentlemen.
Aidi adusukuni election kan kalulu Arua di eri ifile piendoni ni madipia zeni mangupi.
We find ourselves in a situation where we have been postponing a problem.
Amani pizu ejo amaeza epipiriki otuzu diele Romaria,
hoping it can solve itself.
Amekakini ejo ewaru ameza pipiriki ngaite isi
until the time has come
peresa etsa dibo
when we must come in
amani ke chozo
and
fizo
do what we must do.
Amani ke chozo iko amani chojera rejesu.
This election, ladies and gentlemen, is unique because we have many brothers and sisters in the struggle. Because we have many brothers in the struggle running in the same election. It is not the first time that we've been faced with such a situation before. We are facing with the same situation in Jinja. But we managed to come together as the forces of change. We managed to come together as opposition. And we chose one candidate. And that is how we managed to liberate Jinja from NRM and Museveni. Recently we were faced with the same challenge in Bujiri, where we had two opposition candidates. And when we failed to agree on which candidate we are all going to unite on, we decided to unite on the better candidate. And that is how we managed to liberate Bujiri from NRM and Museveni. Although the forces of change were running on different fronts, we always encouraged our comrades to campaign like brothers and sisters. Today we are here. It took me so long to decide, because in Arua it is not only two opposition candidates that are running. We have 5. I said we have 5. We have my brother from FDC, Bruce Musema. We have my very good friend, Robert Ejiku. We have my fellow artist, J.M. Kennedy. And we also have Mzee Jaffa from Jema. All these people have the same mindset with us. But today we must choose who is going to represent the voice of Arua. Thank you. All right. So, Why do I come to Arua today? Why do we come to Arua today? Listen to me. We come out to Arua today because there is a question that must be answered. I say we come to Arua today because there is a question in Arua, and we must answer that question in Arua, and we must answer that question here and now. I come to Arua because there is a war in Arua. I said I come to Arua because there is a war in Arua. Just like there is a war in all parts of Uganda. That war is the war between the oppressor and the oppressed. That war is a war between a small group of people led by Museveni and the majority of Ugandans that are being oppressed. I come to Arua today because we have won that war in Chadondo. Because we won that war in Jinja. Because we won that war in Rukunjiri. Because we won that war in Bujiri. And because we must win this war in Arua. But before we get excited, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to know that we can also lose that war in Arua. I said we can lose that war in Arua. If we don't unite, we will be letting NRM away your voice and to continue misrepresenting you. So we must decide now. So ladies and gentlemen, after thinking very hard for many days, I have come to the conclusion that even if we have so many processes of change running in this race, we must all unite and support Kassiano Wadri. I told you that we can lose this war. Not because we don't have enough fighters, but maybe because we have too many fighters and we don't know which one to take on the front line. We have been trying to do it all over the country. We have been telling you in words and even in action that we are uniting across different political parties. That we are uniting across tribes. That we are uniting across religions. But this election in Arua teaches us one special thing.